Carnival is finally building a megaship to take on Royal Caribbean's icons. This is Nate from the Lido Burrito. Carnival has spent the last decade watching Royal Caribbean and MSC build these colossal floating megacities, while the fun ship line basically sat on the bench. Well, that ends right now. Carnival is finally entering the megaship arms race, and the first shot is a vessel formerly codenamed Project Ace. This is not another Excel-class sister ship. This is Carnival swinging at the heavyweights. This month, on July 10th, the ceremonial steel cutting happens at the Fincantieri shipyard in Italy, and two of the biggest names in the company are scheduled to be there: Carnival President Christine Duffy and Brand Ambassador John Heald. Now, steel cutting is the official start of construction, the moment the design goes from a render into reality. The actual keel laying, where they lower the first big steel block into the dock, comes later as the ship takes shape. As Derek Phillips over at Island Time pointed out, Christine Duffy was just at a conference with Fincantieri saying she is genuinely excited about this new class, and because construction starts within 90 days of that steel cut, it means Carnival already knows exactly what this ship looks like. They know the layout, they know the features. They just have not shown us yet. And there is a beautiful full-circle angle here. This is the same Fincantieri yard that delivered Carnival Destiny 30 years ago, the first passenger ship ever to cross 100,000 gross tons. The yard that taught the industry to think big is about to do it again. Let's talk numbers because they are genuinely wild. Project Ace is 230,000 gross tons and will carry close to 8,000 guests at full capacity. That is roughly 25% bigger than the Excel class, Mardi Gras, Jubilee, and yes, Carnival Celebration, my absolute favorite ship afloat. The Excel sisters are 183,500 tons and about 5,300 guests. Ace adds nearly 50,000 tons and around 2,700 more people on a single haul. 2,700. That is a small town. But here is where it gets spicy and why this is really a story about competition. Royal Caribbean did not let Carnival keep the spotlight for long. As Derek flagged, Royal fired back by ordering a 6th and 7th Icon-class ship, and the 6th one lands in 2029, the exact same year as the first Ace. 7 Icon-class ships total. Royal's Icon of the Seas sits around 250,000 tons and is the current gold standard for megaships. MSC is dropping world-class giants like MSC World Asia with over 40 bars and restaurants, and they have 10 ships coming in 10 years. Norwegian is building too. So the whole industry is sprinting toward ultra-large, and Carnival, the biggest cruise line in the world by passengers, has finally shown up to the fight. 3 Ace ships arriving in 2029, 2031, and 2033, built by Fincantieri in Italy, not Meyer Werft, who built the Excel class. New yard, new class, new era. And look, I have jokes. When Royal Caribbean sees a 230,000-ton Carnival ship pull into port, they're going to need a bigger ruler. John Heald is going to need a bigger microphone. 8,000 people on one ship, you do not board it, you immigrate. You will need a passport just to walk from your cabin to dinner. The map at guest services is going to need a fold-out section. But honestly, I am here for it. Royal and Carnival building rival megaships that land the same year is the most fun cruise drama in years. And more competition means better ships for all of us. So here's the question.
Are you lining up for Carnival's new megaship the second it drops in 2029? Are you staying loyal to Royal Caribbean's icons? Or are you like me and booking another sailing on Carnival Celebration while we rate? Drop your take in the comments, because this megaship war is going to rage for the next 3 years, and I want to know whose side you are on.